Hi everyone, so for this video and the phenomena, I chose to talk about light and how it is based on what's coming from the sun. So the NGSS standard that I found was 1 PS42, which is make observations to construct an evidence-based account that objects in darkness can be seen only when illuminated. So the science and engineering has to do with constructing explanations and designing solutions. The disciplinary core idea is the electromagnetic radiation, which is objects can be seen in light if available to illuminate them or if they give off their own light. And the cross-cutting concept is cause and effect. Simple tests can be designed to either gather evidence or to support or refute student ideas about causes. So, I found on the Wonder of Science website a video that is a man recording people who are using a pinhole in a piece of cardboard to see the reflection of the sun, and so, or the light that the sun is giving off. So I'll just play a little bit of the video.
I'm not sure if that's got anything to do with it.
Well, the light is going through these little holes, and it is the sun rays just sort of going through these little holes, making a circle of the sun. I don't know. You tell me.
Exactly. You nailed it. What we're looking at there is actually an image of the sun. Yeah.
Wow. Earth's round and the sun's round.
Yeah, the sun's round, I guess.
The building's round.
The building's round, is it? No, the building's not round. So what we're seeing is a projection of the sun.
I've never thought about it.
I think that you actually know.
So with just a little bit of that video showing, the point of this video is for people to see that no matter the shape or the size of the pinhole, the reflection on the other side is actually going to be a circle. And so the questions that I'd want to pose to my students would be, do you think that depending on the actual size, so if we went from, instead of a pinhole size, we went to a larger size, whether or not that would change the reflection or the projection that's actually put on the building. And the other question I'd like to talk about was, how would this affect if it was completely dark? Would we be able to see this with moonlight possibly? Those are things that my students could consider and I like to use as my phenomena.